ako. Kasi tahimik yan eh. Kasi tahimik yan eh. Kilala na ng lahat eh. Huwag na mapakilala yung mga luma. Lahat guys, lahat. Okay, simulan mo muna sa akin. So, ako pala si Myrel, yung former...
ikaw ba yun?
Okay, yung former Hong Kong president now nasa international na pa. Hindi for the information of mga bago lang. So, I know, alam na ng iba. So, sa ngayon, yung president natin dito sa Hong Kong chapter is si Ate Wendy.
Hi!
And then, our...
your shades. Oo, para makilala masyado. Oo, mamaya nasa
Kita?
hindi ko na binasa.
Tinanggal mo, ang ganda mo pala.
Oh. Ano yung vice president natin?
Tatanggalin din ang t-shirt.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Talon? Okay. Silahan niyo yung vice president natin. Hi!
Okay.
Hi, next is our secretary. Wala po siya, si Ate Ella. Nasa bakasyon ngayon sa Pinas. And yung ating assistant secretary si Ate Yen. Wala po siya kasi may COVID patients. And yung treasurer natin is busy. Nandun pa. Mamaya makikilala niyo at magre-report din siya sa atin.
Assistant niya wala din.
Assistant treasurer is si Nora. Wala din po siya. Kaming And then,
Sabi ka naman na.
Sabi ka na.
from Manila.
Lisa from Cebu.
Wala po yung inyong at your survey malikot. Hong Kong chapter. Okay. So, ano, magpapakilala muna tayo, guys.
Hindi mo ba pinakilala si Ayun?
Yes, ayun, kilala na.
Hindi ko narinig. Sorry na.
Ano ba?
Ano ba, Ate Mina? Hintay ko pa naman marinig ko.
Bumanyan talaga?
Umilog daw.
Wala mo na tayo maraming. Guys, wala mo tayong maraming ano kasi alam natin dito by phone lang nagmamadali tayo. So, let's introduce ourselves quick. Maybe our name and batches. Paikot na. Bilisan lang.
Go.
Yung pinakabata muna. Talaga kami? Yung pinakabata muna.
Apat lang kami, second batch.
Dito daw mag-start.
Dito muna tayo. Okay. Gitna.
Ako po si Angelet Maraca, 15 batch po, Manila.
Welcome.
Tandaan na, mamaya magpapag-guessing names tayo and faces sa tandaan nyo.
Angelet po.
Alex.
From 13.
Maya naman kayo. Alex. Next.
Ako si ano, si... Ay, sorry. Yung totoo kong pangalan, Luningning Ortiz. Pero kilala ako dito, Shine. Kaya, si Ate Shine.
Kaya pala
Okay. Okay, next. Next ate.
Pagkalong doon sa monthly 10 batch. Manila.
Dito lang ate, dyan lang. Dyan lang kasi magandang view dyan. Yeah. Okay.
Ay, hello.
Parang si Chef.
Hi, I'm Marisol Buwan from 10 Batch, Manila. Oh, wait! Ate Mish is also an officer of Vice President of Manila chapter.
Ate, dito ka ate.
Ikaw naman. Ikaw, ako na pala.
Tapos na sila dyan.
Hi, everyone. Hello. Freya Pingle, 8 batch po, Manila. Pray.
Bisita po. Sige lang.
Hi, I'm Marian.
Dito pa.
Dito na yan. I'm Marian Joy Francisco from Laguna.
Yung bago.
Nag-ano na sila sa question. Sikat ka na! Nag-chismis pa lang kasi Medyo si Marcos! Pag ako ang nagsasalita, my name is Jennifer Narang from 15 Batch.
Oh, tapos na. Akala ko sasabihin mo, representing Imelda Marcos.
Hello guys.
Hello. I'm Imanolita Bismarty from graduate from school assistant batch.
For short.
For short, Emma na lang.
Pwede na tayo. Another Pogi. Uy, Mr. Pogi na tayo, di ba? Okay, next. Eh, teka lang, kukuha lang din ako. Ipanghulin yung nga to si ate. Yung ano, dagat ang hulin mo lang. Ang ganda. Yan, ang ganda-ganda. 19 batch ako ha. Inuunahan ko na kayo. Hindi nga. Second batch eh. 91 yan. Sila. 91 yan. Ligtas na lang. Abing 19 ako. Ate Jack. Dito na daw sila. Yan, ikaw ang harap sa amin. Tama, ito mga dos na. Hindi na namin hindi na sabi sa'yo, mga matatanda. Wait lang, pasensyahan nyo natin. Saglit lang, may mga rayuman ako, hindi mo kayo sa mga best. Okay. Hi! Ate Jack po, second batch from Manila. Hi, Ate Mina po, second batch from Cebu. Hi, I'm Ate Emily. Ay, si Ate Florence. Ate Florence na po na. Masabi na siya. Tapos na ang ingin yung kasi narinig. Sige na. Hi, Florence from second batch, Manila. High five! I'm Ate Emily, second batch from Manila. Lola namin yun.
May bago. 19 batch Cavite.
Santa Mesa.
2017.
Okay.
Hi, Amian. 19 batch Cavite.
Talaga.
Anong name?
Hi, I'm Lizelle. 2005, 12 batch Cebu.
I'm Ami, second batch Cebu.
Hoy, ang ningay Maawa naman kayo, ano? 9 batch, 1,000 po, Lari Bardena, Cebu. Bilis na, sino pa? Wala na. Napakaliligal. Ang ganda-ganda ng ano dyan, Timoy.
Welcome to our Foundation Day celebration. Hi, I'm Lizelle. I'm Lizelle. 2005.
Parang hindi tayo nagpakilala.
Ay, ganun pala yun.
Hindi pa kami nagpakilala ni Ate May.
Ay, hindi ba pala? Sorry.
Sige, nandiyan ka magpakilala mo. Ako pa naman ay may moto. Ako nga pala si Wendy, 13 batch. I believe that what is beauty when your brain is empty?
I believe that I still have a chance to get
Alam nyo, maniwala ho kayo, kahit wala na kayo, pag marunong kayong magbigay, God will provide. Naniniwala talaga ako.
Amen.
Yes. Amen. Kahit wala talaga, pag marunong talaga tayo magbigay, tandaan nyo po yan, pag may kailangan kayo, hindi nyo inaasahan, God provides. Sa pamamagitan ng kaibigan, sa pamamagitan ng kung ano man, bigla may dumadating kasi nagbibigay tayo ng mula sa puso. At the same time pala, yung food, kung mapapansin nyo yung food natin is, ang ating ambagan is 50. Yung 30 sa food, yung 20 sa factory ulit. Imagine nyo po, di ba? Para yung kasi pinapa sa sponsor syempre. Kaya wag nyo po kwentahin baga. Kaya mahal ng
Guys, thank you. We are having fun, but still, we are helping.
Ang kagandahan nito, napagtitibay natin yung ating community, yung ating kapatiran. At the same time, nakakapag-give back tayo sa Sisters of Mary at nakakatulong tayo na mabuo din yung mga pangarap ng mga batang nandoon sa loob. Like us when we were studying in the Sisters of Mary.
Kinikilabutan ako, may idagdag ako. And you know guys, yes, Hong Kong, most of us are just working in as domestic helper, but yet, Sa most of the international chapters, Hong Kong is the one most generous chapter.
Yay!
Congratulations!
Congrats sa Hong Kong!
Alam niyo ba, doon sa Raffle for Akos natin, Hong Kong chapter yung pinakamataas. And nag-check ako ng update sa Factfake, Hong Kong chapter ang pinakamataas na nag-donate all over the chapter, even in the local.
Always! Yes! Nauna ka na
Nauna ka na, kaya alam mo na yung
Isumbong kita kay Luna! Isumbong mo! Luna!
Sana all, may kilay, may ganto, may gantaw.
Oh, sorry, I walk up like this.
Maghay na kayo sa sa vlog ko. Dali na.
Hello, vlog! Welcome to my vlog! Rotate your vlog!
Hello po. Hi! Ang GC po.
Mag-hi kanina.
Another to.
Kumain ka na?
Hello po. Kabagay, halatan. Ay, ano yun? Ano yun? Ang kinagat na naman.
Ang pangit naman ito. Ayoko na yung dinatural. Kahit naman natural sa akin. Hindi na nga.
Okay. Hello. How are you? I'm good.
Kapit naman mo. Plastic. Nasa ulang ko tanto.
Palagi na hello. Beautiful eyes ka dyan. Jawa niya. Wala pa kaming picture.
Kaysa kambing.
Hindi ako yan.
Bakit? Na-miss mo lang ako eh?
Paano lang ang ganyan ang mukha namin?
Baka mamaya maglalaro pa eh. May mga palaro pa. Kaya dami namin. Uy, nangante yung
Guatemala!
Alam ko na yan.
Tanzania!
Alam ko na hindi ko.
Germany! Israel!
Alam ko na yan. Sa letter A. Ay,
Africa! Africa! Africa!
Australia.
Australia!
Ira.
Wow, may sariling bansa! Sana all!
Armenia.
O, Ate B! Ate B, bigyan mo na sa akin! Ate B! O, sige mo! Ate B, sayang!
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Bye!